So today's seventh lesson, and then let's start. So we have the verb. Today we have raccontare ieri. It means to tell the past. Okay, and so how do we form the past in Italian? So we have multiple verbal tenses that are related to the past that are used to tell the past, but the easier one and the one that you study first is passato prossimo, and so we're gonna see it right here. Okay, and this one is used to say things about a past that's not too far away, you know, usually at least. Io ho parlato, so I have spoken. Tu hai parlato, you have spoken. Lui, lei ha parlato. He, she has spoken. Noi abbiamo parlato, we have spoken. Voi avete parlato, you have spoken. Loro hanno parlato, they have spoken. So, how do we form this passato prossimo? We form it basically with the present simple of the verb to have, the verb avere, or the verb to be, even though here it's not written down. I don't know why. It depends on the verb that follows, on the past participle. Here, for example, we have parlare and we need to use to have. So in this lesson, I won't go through how to know which one to use. Probably will do in other lessons. This one is more all'acqua di rose. That basically means in Italian it's not too serious. It's not as well done as you could imagine. So, and then the final product that we have is ho. For example, the first person singular in the present simple of the verb to have, avere, ho. And then parlato, so the past participle, il participio passato of the verb parlare. Okay, and then, so the past participle is really easy to get from the infinitive of the verbs. If a verb ends in are, and usually in the past participle you remove are and you add ato, so parlare becomes parlato, mangiare becomes mangiato, etc., etc. Even though it's not always this way because some aren't regular. And then we have ere. Ere, you detach ere from the word, you get rid of these desinents, and you add uto. So credere becomes creduto, avere becomes avuto, etc., and so on. Ire, you detach ire from the infinitive, and you add ito, and now you have the past participle of the verb with ire. Dormire becomes dormito, finire becomes finito, etc., etc. Then we have frequent verbs in the past participle that are irregular. So participi irregolari frequenti, frequent irregular participles. So we have fare that becomes fatto, prendere becomes preso, leggere becomes letto, scrivere becomes scritto, vedere becomes visto, bere becomes bevuto, mettere becomes messo, chiedere becomes chiesto, rispondere becomes risposto, aprire becomes aperto, chiudere becomes chiuso, and then offrire becomes offerto. Okay, see you soon. Yeah.